Welcome. I'm here with Sandy Emerson, who is the lead lawyer and owner and partner of Emerson Law Firm out of Chicago. Welcome, Sandy.
Thank you. It's nice to be here.
Can you tell us a little bit about your law firm?
Yes, so I founded the law firm in 2000, so we're 25 years old this year. We specialize in real estate, bankruptcy, and estate planning. And we also do a little bit of real estate related litigation, just a little bit of foreclosure work. And we like to get word out to the public about the type of work that we do and educate the public.
And how do you educate the public about what you do?
Well, so Pictory really provides us a way to do that because we can make short, targeted videos that are educational in nature, where we can say, for example, 3 tips for someone who's making an estate plan, that kind of thing. And we find that Pictory is really helpful for that.
Fantastic. So you use Pictory to make videos. What did you do before you were introduced to Pictory?
Well, we did text ads, and those really are kind of boring, and people weren't really that interested in them, and we weren't getting that many views.
Okay, fantastic. So now you use Pictory. What workflows do you use in Pictory? Do you write your scripts and convert those to videos? Do you take your blogs and convert them to videos? Do you convert PowerPoints? What workflows do you use in Pictory today?
Right now, we're doing script writing and converting those to videos, and also taking our blogs and shortening those down and making those into scripts and making videos.
That's fantastic. You are very advanced for a lot of law firms that we talk to using technology to create videos. That's amazing. We've heard that law firms are having challenges getting the word out to potential clients because of all the things going on with SEO and the AI overviews that you're getting from Google. Have you seen an impact in customers finding you or clients potentially finding you because of these impacts in technology?
I don't think so. I think that we're trying to stay ahead of the curve, and we're trying to just follow market trends and make sure that we're out there doing what our competitors are doing and what other industries are doing other than law. And I think that's working, and we're getting views.
That's fantastic. And I think probably you're getting views because of the videos you're creating. What we hear is that the AI overviews get a lot of their information from these videos that you're creating. So that's great. When you create these videos, where are you posting them?
We're posting them on Facebook right now, but we're going to start an Instagram page so that we can post them there as well. And we also do some on LinkedIn.
And do you also post to YouTube?
No, I haven't started YouTube yet, but we might look into that as well.
Well, we highly recommend it. As we know, a lot of the LLMs like ChatGPT and the AI overviews from Google get the number one place they get their information is from YouTube.
Well, that's more ways to use Pictory, so I'm looking forward to doing that.
And you're already ahead of the game by creating videos already. So, real quick, are you the one creating the videos, or do you have a team that's creating them?
I am actually creating them myself because I'm pretty anal about the legal content that's in the videos, and I want to make sure that it's absolutely correct. So, yes, I'll write the script. I'll come up with a checklist of things I want to talk about in the video, and then I'll actually create, even selecting the stills or the short videos that we're using to make the reel. I'm actually doing all of that.
That's great. Do you actually upload any of your own content to Pictory to use, or are you using the provided digital assets that we provide?
I'm using the provided visual assets for now because I'm shy, but I think in the near future, we will get to a point where we will have our video of, for example, us in the office, maybe helping a client sign documents, and we could add that in to mix it up a little bit and also to personalize the videos a little bit more. We would like for people to see what we look like and what our space looks like and what we do.
Well, now we also have screen recording, so if you want to show some things and have your face on the videos, you can do that. Are you branding your videos using brand kits?
No, I have not done that yet.
We got to make sure so you can have it professionally branded, right and you can use intros and outros and the captions that you want and with your logo right on every single video. So that would be even more helpful to get the word out about your videos.
Absolutely. I'm a beginner right now, and I'm eager to learn more about how to do these things.
Of course, you are a partner in a law firm and leading your law firm, so you're writing a lot of the most and if not all the content yourself. Have you tried the idea to video in Pictory where you actually put an idea that you have and have the AI come together and write the script for you?
I have not tried that yet. Would you recommend it?
Well, I would recommend it. Of course, you being a lawyer, you're going to read it and make sure it's what you want, but maybe it'll save you some time.
I would love to try it.
And
So it's AI then.
it is AI.
Okay,
Yep,
great.
and it's called Idea to Video.
Okay.
So you can do that right into the product. And how long does it take you to create a video from end to end, from the
Wow.
writing the script all the way to the video?
15 minutes.
15 minutes. That's fantastic.
Hmm.
Well, we're so happy to hear that. That's about what we hear is the average some time from somebody going from script to video, and that's compared to weeks for paying somebody on an outside firm. So that's amazing that you're getting those results. The last thing I just ask for you is, do you have any feedback for the team here at Pictory? Anything we can do better, or anything you want us to continue doing? I like to say continue doing, stop doing, or repeat doing. So anything you've got feedback for us.
Well, if you have any tutorials and you could point me to them, a glossary somewhere or me too, I would really appreciate that because I'm eager to use
Well,
more of your tools that you have.
that's great. We will send you the link to our YouTube channel, and it has these playlists, and we're adding more and more,
Great.
but we have like a top 15 features that you should use and you should know right there in that first playlist right there. So, but we'll make sure you get that, and hopefully everybody out there gets that.
I appreciate
So
that. I'm an eager student and you have an amazing product. I can say I did try on the advice of a good friend. I tried a competing product to see how I liked it. I had already gotten a Pictory subscription and that product was so hard to use. It was very frustrating, 15 or 20 minutes. And I thought, wow, in 15 minutes, I could have had a video made on Pictory, forget it. So I just dropped it and went right back to Pictory.
that's fantastic. So to end, is there anything else we should know about Emerson Law Firm, about you, about what you're trying to do in the marketplace?
Yes, we're a small firm and we have a client-centered approach. We look at our clients like family, and we want our clients to feel like they know what we've done for them. We want them to understand their estate plans. What are you signing? What did my attorney do for me today? One of the things about Pictory, which is wonderful, is it really enables us to connect on that level with the clients, to educate them and get them to understand what we do versus just coming in and writing us a check. That's not what we want. We're trying to establish a relationship.
That's great. Well, we hope we've established a relationship with Emerson Law Firm and you, Sandy. We're very happy to have you as part of the Pictory family. So
Thank
thank you for joining us.
thank you so much.